Owen spilled his milk on the floor, and now he's drinking it off the floor. You're funny, buddy. Oh, you're gonna slip. Did you spill your milk? Okay, well you can't play with the straw. Should we put the straw away? You need to put the straw in here so that you can drink it. Here. We gotta leave it in there, otherwise you spill it. So let's leave it in there. Come on, leave it in there. Are you being a goof? You have to take this out if you're going to walk around like that. Now your milk's going to spill again.